sunny morning light poured into the cheerful craft room, where Elmo and his friends were gathered for a delightful day of artistic adventure. Elmo, with his infectious enthusiasm, had called everyone together to explore the wonders of arts and crafts, and today, they would be painting. Big Bird, with his warm heart and gentle nature, stood at the center, eager to paint his vision. "I want to paint something that reminds us to dream big," he exclaimed, his eyes shining with creativity. Grover, ever the helpful friend, offered to assist Big Bird with laying out the paints. "These colors will match your sky-high dreams," Grover said with a grin, handing Big Bird the bright azure and sunny yellow. Abby Cadabby fluttered around with her sparkling wand, scattering tiny glitter for that touch of magic. "Glitter always makes art dreamier," Abby chirped, her magical charm adding to the excitement in the room. As Big Bird began his masterpiece, Elmo encouraged everyone to express their dreams and imaginations through colors. The room was a symphony of creative noises, brushes swishing, colors mixing, and giggles echoing. Oscar, typically grumpy but secretly interested, pretended he wasn't paying attention. "What's the point of dreaming?" he muttered, albeit casting a curious glance at Big Bird's canvas. But soon, even Oscar couldn't resist as Big Bird's painting transformed into a vivid landscape of hope, featuring a starry sky where dreams soared freely across the canvas. Friends joined in, adding to Big Bird's tableau. Elmo painted a friendly sun, Grover added flying dreams and stars, and Abby sprinkled ethereal magic. When the artwork was complete, Big Bird stepped back to admire it,